Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Shikin Aziz. Do you know that surface material of the food processing equipment may as well promote the salts deposition and influence the selections of cleaning compounds and methods? In this video, I will explain the surface characteristic that may affect on salt deposition and the cleaning compounds. Okay. Material of construction in food processing plants may act as substrate where food materials, microorganisms, or other materials such as lubricants may attach on it, and sometimes substrate may react with anything that close to it. The quality of materials depends on the ease of cleaning and resistance to corrosion with chemicals. Food contact surfaces should be smooth, impervious, which means that a surface that not allowing liquid to go through, free of cracks and crevices, non-porous, non-absorbent, non-contaminating, non-reactive, or also known as inert, corrosion resistant, durable and maintenance free, non-toxic, and cleanable. There are variety material used in the construction and fabrication of different food processing equipment. All materials have different properties that influence the workability, compatibility, and sanitary design features. The selection of the materials is depending on the application. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is the preferred general use metal for food contact surfaces because of its corrosion resistance, smooth surface, impervious, and durability in most food applications. However, not all stainless steel is equal. The properties of the stainless steel alloy are related to its relative composition with regard to chromium and nickel level. Corrosion resistance varies with chromium level, and structural strength varies with nickel level. Okay. The American Iron and Steel Institute, AISI, 300 series stainless steel is commonly recommended for food contact surfaces. Okay. And 3A sanitary standards require 316 stainless steel with the ratio of 18. This is the ratio of chromium to nickel. Yeah. So the 18 here referring to chromium, while 10 here indicating the nickel level. Okay. Okay. 316 stainless steel is known as food grade steel, as it has a high resistance to acids, alkalis, and chlorides such as salt. Then 3A sanitary standard allowed the use of 304 stainless steels only for utility usage, for example, pipings, as it can experience severe pitching corrosion when exposed to salt. 3A sanitary standards restrict the use of 303 stainless steel due to nickel release when exposed to chlorides. The nickel release may affect health. However, nickel is free machining stainless steel, which is commonly used in fasteners, bushing, bearings, nuts, and bolts. While copper is primarily used for equipment in the brewing industry. In Swiss cheese manufacture, copper is used for cheese vats due to tradition. Care should be used with copper equipment when processing acid products, as copper residues can leach into the product. Aluminium. Aluminium is used in certain parts and components where lighter weight is desired. However, aluminium has poor corrosion resistance and can become pitted and cracked with continued use. Care should be taken when cleaning and sanitizing aluminium components, as oxidizing chemicals can accelerate the pitting of the metal. In most food contact applications, aluminium must be coated with an acceptable material such as plastic coating. For example, plastic coating. Common plastic coating is polytetrafluoroethylene, ethylene, or other name for it, or people normally refer it as a PTFE or Teflon. Teflon. Carbonized metal and cast iron are only used for frying and cooking surfaces and other application in food service. While galvanized iron should be avoided as a food contact surface because it is highly reactive with acids. Non-metal can also be used in food processing applications. Non-metal surfaces in general lack the corrosion resistance and durability of metal surfaces. Therefore, maintenance program should include frequent examination for wear and deterioration under continued use, and replacement also needed. Non-metal material used in food contact surfaces include plastics, rubber, and rubber-like materials that should be food grade and should meet the requirements designated under 3A sanitary standards. Among the characteristics that good for food industry are non-porous and non-spongy and not affected by alkaline detergents. However, acid and strong acids and organic solvent can damage rubber. Ceramics are used primarily in membrane filtration systems. Ceramic may also be used in other limited application if wear resistant is necessary. Glass may be used as a food contact surface due to its characteristic which are smooth and impervious. However, glass applications are limited to the potential limited due to the potential of breakage, and it may etch by strong alkaline cleaning detergent. Thus, when glass is used, it must be durable, break resistant, or heat resistant. Okay, paper. All right. Paper can also be used and it is considered a single-use material. For example, paper has been used over the years as a gasket material in piping systems which designed for daily disassembly. Wood, which is highly porous and difficult to clean, should be avoided as a food contact. Should be avoided as a food contact surface. Wood is restricted in food service application by most regulatory agencies, with the exception of hardwood cutting boards and tight grain butcher blocks. Right? So, all right. So basically, all the materials, okay, has different properties, which may influence the deposition and later influence the cleaning selection and cleaning compound selections. Thus, it is important to select the materials that are compatible with the chemical and the processing condition. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you. Thank you for watching and see you again. Bye.